on to lesson 6, which is something new. We're going to talk about money. So the directions for the first problem set page: count or add to find the total value of each group of coins. Write the value using the cent or dollar sign symbol. Something to remember is if you're writing cents, like if I was writing 5 cents, the cent symbol comes after the number. But if I was writing $5, the dollar sign comes first. Okay. So we're going to be working on counting by how much a penny is worth. So a penny is 1 cent. How much a nickel is worth. A nickel is 5 cents. And a dime, which is 10 cents. So we'll have to be able to count by 1s, 5s, and 10s, which I know we're all experts on. So starting with the first one, this has them all in order of highest to lowest. So a nickel is worth 5, and you can write it down if you want, plus a penny, plus a penny, and it's not a bad idea to cross them off as you go. 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So when you add that up, 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7, plus 1 is 8. It's not just 8, it's 8 cents. Alright, I'll skip down to a tougher one like number 7. So this is a quarter. The big one is worth 25 cents. So we have 25 plus what a dime is worth, 10, plus another dime, plus a nickel, plus a penny, plus another penny. So I want you to count 25 plus a 10 is 35, plus 10, 45, plus 5, 50, plus 1, 51, plus 1 is 52 cents. On the next page of the problem set, it's more of the same, counting up coins, but this time they're not nice enough to put them in order. So my advice would be to always start with the highest amount. So this one, it's a dime, and you can use up here if you want to write it down. So 10 cents plus a nickel, 5 cents, plus another nickel, 5 cents. So 10 plus 5 plus 5, 20. This can get especially tough on numbers like 14 and 15 where there's just a crazy amount of coins. So I definitely would suggest writing it on the side or on a different piece of paper as you go and crossing off. The homework pages, the same thing. You'll count up the coins, how much they're worth, add them together. Don't forget to use the cent symbol, or if it's over $1, you'll use the dollar sign. And the second page of the homework is just like the problem set, more of the same. When you're done, I would like you to please submit the first homework page, the one that looks like this. Thank you.